Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm diving into the sizzling world of hibachi cooking with a twist on a classic hibachi shrimp right on your own teppanyaki grill. Now hibachi actually refers to a traditional open flame brazier used way back in the day, but today it's all about that grill magic. Let's talk ingredients. You'll need 12 ounces of juicy raw deveined shrimp, tails off please, 2 cloves of garlic, gopher paste or minced, whatever rocks your boat, a teaspoon of ginger paste or, hey, freshly grated if you're feeling adventurous, a pinch of salt and pepper, and let's not forget about 4 tablespoons of butter. Oh, and a squirt of soy or teriyaki sauce for that extra zing. First up, fire up your teppanyaki grill to a hot 400-degree F. Drop in half your butter and let it melt into a sizzling dance. Spread it out nicely, then lay those shrimp down. Give them about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. They should start blushing pink pretty quickly. Now sprinkle in that garlic and ginger. Stir them around to get those shrimp nicely coated. Season with salt and pepper and keep things moving. You don't want any sticking or burning, just perfectly cooked shrimp. As they turn fully pink and opaque, toss in the rest of the butter. Let the aromas of garlic and butter fill the air. It's just irresistible. And just before you finish, a quick splash of soy or teriyaki sauce adds the perfect touch. While your shrimp are cooking, why not whip up some sides? Steamed rice, grilled veggies, or a crisp salad make great companions. And there you have it, your very own hibachi shrimp, sizzling off the grill and ready to impress. Whether you're a shrimp newbie or a seasoned grill master, this recipe is straightforward and utterly delicious. Thanks for tuning in to #PhoebeChef Magic. If you love this recipe, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you won't miss out on any of my kitchen adventures. Drop a comment below on how your hibachi shrimp turned out, or any other tips you might have. Until next time, keep those grills hot and your appetite ready. Happy grilling, everyone!